Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Readdy Ai. In order to do so, here we are at Readdy.ai, and what is Readdy all about? Well, you can get your website in 30 minutes. Build and publish your website by just chatting with AI, no coding skill required, and you can come here to try it for free and get started. You can see a variety of user cases here, and Readdy builds your website as a fully automated builder. Whether you're starting a business, an online store, or building a landing page, you can launch a professional website in minutes. Just type your website idea, Readdy will build it for you, and then you can launch it or customize it to your specifications. Grow your business with Readdy Ai. It's more than a chatbot. It's your 24/7 AI assistant that turns website visitors into booked appointments and every opportunity into revenue. So if you're interested in taking advantage of Readdy Ai, let's just take a look here at the pricing very quickly. So you can see here, we've got the free version, 250 credit per month, 2 projects, share your projects, lead capture versus via Readdy agent with 5 minutes of voice and 50 chats per month. We've got the starter at $15 per month. That's for the yearly. So that's $25 per month if you're going month to month, and you could build your website and grow your business with that. Then we have the pro at $40 a month, and for the starter, you're getting 2,500 credits per month. With the pro, you're getting 6,000 credits per month. We'll just click that yearly button again. So if you want to save some money, then we've got the starter at $15 per month and the pro at $24 a month, billed yearly. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. And we have a variety of AI promotions for you. If you check out Sintra AI, it is a fantastic business strategy tool. If you're a new business owner or an established business owner and you're looking for an edge, then Sintra can provide tailored responses that can help you and your business. Also, check out Cider AI. It is a wonderful extension that allows you to compare answers from some of the top chatbots available, so you can make sure that the answers you're getting are accurate. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account, and then you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.